That's not a four-leaf clover.
Those aren't four-leaf clovers.
Ooh. Looks like some of you need a reminder of what a true, genuine four-leaf clover is. Don't worry, I got you. In case you forgot, there's 300 species of clover, but only one is considered genuine or lucky, and that is Trifolium repens, the white clover mutation only. Anything other than this species would get me disqualified for consecutive days of finding a true, genuine four-leaf clover. And you can usually identify them with the little puffball flowers. As you can tell, the flower season is coming to an end. And what I love about Trifolium repens, the white clover mutation, is that each of them are unique, never exactly the same. Some have white in the middle, and some don't. And to the clowns in my comments, this is for you. Call it what you want. I call it day 849 of the four-leaf clover of the day. Yay! Whether you want to be educated or triggered, follow along for more. Like always, I'll see you tomorrow.